In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make dark chocolate ganache. In this bowl I have 500 grams of dark chocolate. Just break it up into squares. I've bought the chocolate from the supermarket. It's their cheapest brand, and when using dark chocolate you can get away with using the cheapest brand. I have heated 300 ml of double cream. Again, this is just a supermarket brand. And pouring that over the chocolate. Then I'm just going to stir. So at first it's going to look a little bit bitty as the chocolate melts, and it takes a while for it all to melt. If you use chocolate buttons, this would certainly melt a little bit quicker, but because I'm using chocolate pieces, it takes a little longer. You can see it's starting to change colour now. So I actually heated the cream up in the microwave. You can boil it on the hob if you want to. You heat it until it's completely boiled before you pour it over the chocolate. So keep stirring until all those pieces of chocolate have melted. If for some reason they just don't seem to melt, you might have just a couple of pieces left, then you can just put this back into the microwave and warm it a little further and then carry on stirring. There you go, chocolate ganache. This now needs to be put into the fridge and allowed to set, and then when I'm ready to use it, I will heat it in the microwave, bring it back to this consistency, and then it'll be ready to use.